Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, if x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals to 12, find the value of x. So in this case, we are going to find the value of x. So we have here solution. So we are given x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals to 12. So here, in this case, we have x to the power of 2, and here we have x to the power of 3, and we also have 12. So this 12, we are going to find factors of 12 that will be a perfect square and also a perfect cube. So that means we have 4 and 8. Here, 4 is a perfect square, which is 2 raised to the power of 2, and 3 is a perfect cube, which is 2 raised to the power of 3. That is a perfect cube. So we are going to substitute the value of this factor of 12, which is 4 and 8, in the place of 12. So here will become x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals to 8 plus 4. This is what it means. So this 8 plus 4 will become, this is x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equals to 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 2. So here we have the power of 3, the power of 3, and the power of 2, the power of 2. So let us collect like terms. So we'll move the whole of this right hand side to the left hand side. So here will become x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3. When this transposes into this other side, become minus 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 2 equals to 0. We can collect like terms. That means we have x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 equals to 0. So here we can see that this is different of 2 square, and here we can group it together. This will become x to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 minus into, here we are going to have x to the power of 3. Here will be plus, because minus times minus will give us plus 2 to the power of 3, all equals to 0. So here, if you recall that when we have, say note, when we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b. So substituting this in this format, or expressing this in this format, this will become x plus 2 into x minus 2. This is for this. Minus, here in this case, when we have x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 3 is the same thing as x plus y all into x to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 minus xy. So this is what it becomes. We are going to express this in this format. So this way we have minus. So here we have minus x, because here we have 2 plus 2 all into x to the power of 2. Then we have plus 2 to the power of 2. Then we have minus 2x. So this is what it becomes, because we are expressing this in this format. So here we become, so we need to clean this. So here we can write this out. We have x plus 2 into x minus 2 minus, then we have x plus 2 into x to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 2x. So this is what we have. So here we have x plus 2 here, and we have x plus 2 here. We will factorize. So here will become x plus 2 into, we have here x minus 2 here. So here will become minus this divided by x plus 2 will become x to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 2 minus 2x. So this is what we have. Here we can open this bracket by multiplying minus to the whole of this. Here will become x plus 2 into x here minus 2. We have minus times x squared, we have minus x squared. We have minus times 2 to the power of 2, we have minus 4. We have minus times minus 2x, we have plus 2x. So this is what it becomes. We can collect like terms here. So here will become x plus 2 into, we have x and 2x here. X plus 2x here will become 3x. So we have minus 2 minus 4, we have minus 6. Then we have minus x to the power of 2. So here we can rearrange this. So here will become x plus 2 into, we have minus x to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 6. So here we have two parentheses here. This is all equals to 0. We have here all equals to 0. We have two parentheses here. It's either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. But in this case, the first one is x plus 2 equals to 0. Therefore, our x equals to minus 2 because 2 will be transposed into this other side. So this is the best value of x. X equals to minus 2. So the second one, which is minus x to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. And this is a quadratic equation. We are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x. So in this case, we are going to have two value of x from this evaluation. So here, we are going to use x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, our value of a equals to minus 1, then value of b equals to 3, and a value of c equals to minus 6. So we are going to substitute this parameter into this our quadratic formula. So we need to clean this. Well, here, so we have a quadratic formula which is x equals to minus b is 3. So we have minus 3. Then we have plus or minus square root of b squared. Our b squared is 3. So we have 3 squared plus minus 4 times a. Our value of a is minus 1, minus 1. Then our value of c is minus 6 times minus 6 all over 2a, which is 2 times minus 1. So this is what we have. So this will become x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 to the power of 2 is 9 minus. So we have 4 times minus 1 times minus 6 is going to be plus 24. So here will be minus 24 all over 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. So in this case, our x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of this place is 9 minus 24 is minus 15 all over minus 2. So in this case, we have square root of minus 15 here, and it contains a complex number. So this can be written as minus 3 plus or minus square root of 15 times square root of minus 1 all over minus 2. So here, in that case, our x equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 15i, because square root of minus 1, which is a complex number, is I, then all over minus 2. So in this case, we have two value of x in this evaluation because we have plus or minus. So this will become the first value of x, which is x1 equals to minus 3 plus square root of 15i all over minus 2. So in this case, this can be written as minus 3 all over minus 2 plus square root of 15i all over minus 2. So here, minus will cancel here and minus will cancel here. So we need to clean this. So here, we have here, because minus cancel here, so we have x equals to 3 all over 2. Then minus times plus will become minus root 15i all over 2. So this is the first value of x from this evaluation. So the second part, which is x equals to minus 3 minus root 15i all over minus 2. So this is the same thing as x equals to minus 3 all over minus 2 minus root 15i all over minus 2. So in this case, minus will cancel here and minus will cancel here. Therefore, x equals to 3 all over 2. Then minus multiplied by minus will become plus root 15i all over 2. So these are the value of x. And also, we have here as the value of x. We have here x1 here, we have x2 here, and we have x3 here. So those are the three values of x that satisfy this expression. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.